Hello everyone, so it's been 8 months to me in Japan and today I'm going to do something for the first time in Japan. And what is it? Asking for leave to my manager for going to India. I don't have any experience of asking for leaves in Japan to my manager, to Japanese people. So this is the first time I'm doing that. I'm also nervous because how my manager is going to react. But this is the first time I'm asking for leave. So let's see how the experience is going to be. If any one of you living away from your family, you will understand the feeling of going back to your family. And look at me. I am living not only away from my family but also away from my country, and it's been 8 months plus there is some event in my family which I'm going to tell you later. Definitely I should go to India. Sunny weather today, it's very nice weather. Always shut the window. The sad part is that I am applying for leave for just 2 weeks and I don't think that's enough for me, but shogunai, I told you, right? Like, it can't be helped because I have limited number of paid leaves. そうです。4月20日から5月の6日まで有給を取りたいんです。Everyone, just now I spoke to them and they said, okay, whatever leaves you want, you send us a mail with the dates. So I sent it to them. Now what they said after that I'll tell you, but after going to the rooftop. Let's go to rooftop. I'm not feeling like being here in the room. Let's go to rooftop and then I'll tell you. Okay, so I am at the rooftop now. I'll give you the rooftop tour and the room tour in some other video. So I'd like you to subscribe to the channel so that whenever I post that video, you get to see it first. The view from this rooftop is amazing, which is what I'm going to show you in that video first. When I told them that I want to go back to India for 2 weeks and I want to go to Delhi, so they told me that you have to fill these 2 Excel sheets, and in those 2 Excel sheets, a lot of data has to be filled. For example, whether I am infected by coronavirus or not, or my flight numbers, my flight details. There were multiple things that had to be filled, which I filled. And there was one section in which they mentioned that you have to give day by day details of where you are going to be. For example, if you are going on 20th of April, then where will you be on 21st of April? Where will you be on 22nd? Every day you have to give the details. Somehow I filled those details and gave it to them because even I'm not sure where I'm going to be on those particular days. And they asked whether you are going to carry your laptop, your mobile phone given by the company, many details. I filled those Excel sheets and gave it to them. Then they sent me one link and they said you have to check your location, Delhi. The infected people, the corona infected people are what level? For example, there were 1, 2, 3, 4. If Delhi falls in 1 and 2, then you can go to Delhi. If it falls in 3 or 4, which is more risky, that people infected by coronavirus are more, then you are not allowed to go to Delhi. Before checking that link, I thought if Delhi falls in 3 or 4, they will not let me go. But thankfully, Delhi was not in 3 or 4 number. It was on number 1. So it means that less infected people were there. So it was fine for me. Very strong wind is blowing. So let me go downstairs and then let's talk to you. Well, I still remember there was a time when I was in India and I was asking for some leaves from my manager, and he told me that you are not allowed to take 5 days of leaves because of some exam, but those were my paid leaves. So I told him that these are my paid leaves, so I need them for my purpose, because somebody is taking 5 days of leaves for marriage, somebody is taking for going to Kashmir, to Shimla, to here and there. Everyone is taking their paid leaves as per their convenience. I want to take those leaves for my exam. Then my manager told me, who takes 5 days of leaves, yeah, for exam preparation? And it was very funny for me. Everyone has their own priorities of taking leaves. Everyone wants to use them at their own will. So someone wants to take 5 days of leave for somebody's marriage, for their relative's marriage. Somebody wants to go to hometown. Somebody wants to go to for a tour. My purpose was taking 5 days of leave for some exam preparation. My manager used to negotiate with everyone. For example, if somebody would say, I want 5 days of leave, then he will say, take 3 days of leave. If somebody wants to take 2 days of leaves, then he would say 1 day of leave. Every time he would negotiate. So what my team people started doing is that so around 50 team people were there. So what they started doing, when they needed 5 days of leave, they would say, I need 7 days of leave. He would say, don't take 7 days, yeah, take 5 days. Then they would say, okay, I'll do it for you. Eventually they needed 5 days of leave only. They knew that manager is always going to say that, so they always go with that perception and take whatever 1 days of leaves they wanted to take. So 90% of the team used to face that problem. I still remember that. Having said that, I understand that when you get to the manager's position, there are various things that you have to look into, and based on that you have to allocate leaves. Good news everyone, good news. So just now I got a mail that you can take the leaves from 20th of April to 6th of May, and there is no problem in that because those are your paid holidays. Even if those are unpaid holidays, they'll not say anything, I think, because they dealt with me very kindly. And if it's unpaid leaves, then only your salary will be deducted. It's not that they will create any issues. During that time there are golden week holidays also, so including everything I am taking 8 working days of leaves. So still I have 2 working days of leaves left, which are paid leaves. It is always important to consider the personal aspect of your life along with your professional aspects. Otherwise, when you are going to die, everyone is going to die, right? You're not going to remember how you worked hard in your office. Nobody is going to remember, I think. Everyone is going to remember how you enjoyed your life, how you were with your family and friends. So always give importance to your personal life as well along with your professional life. Don't just be a shachiku. Shachiku is corporate slave. That day Kusan taught me that word, shachiku. And at last, my humble request to any manager or any team leader is watching this video. Humble request, please give your teammates leaves as much as possible. Let them enjoy their lives too, because at the end of the day, it's the life that matters. Not that how much time you gave to your office. At the end of the day, this will not matter. Working hard at office is important, but not the most important. And that's how we can contribute to each other's happiness. Let me go to Anna's room and ask Anna, should I go to India or not? Anna, what are you doing?
Just
Looking at the weather?
no, watching videos. Yeah, weather also good.
So the same place is visible from Anna's window also, that I show from my window, right? Anna, I am thinking about going to India, and I'm going to ask the company about taking leaves. What do you think?
Where it is India? India is
India,
next
Delhi,
state.
Delhi.
Next state.
Not that, no Delhi here. Hooray, India.
How? Why? Why are you going?
Chuma, I want to go because some event is there
many
at my
days?
family.
How many days?
Around 2 weeks, including golden week leaves.
Oh, super. Then I can be enjoy.
Hey.
2 weeks I can fully enjoy.
Oh, Anna.
Nitin.
Guys, Anna is saying that if I go to India for 2 weeks, then for those 2 weeks he is going to enjoy.
Yeah.
As if I am not letting him enjoy.
Yeah. So I'm really very happy. I'm waiting for those 2 weeks to celebrate my life.
Anna, you also come to India.
No, guys, I am really going to miss him. So let's see.
Anna, come to India. Come, let's go together. You go to Chennai, I go to Delhi.
I don't want to come to my marriage, guys.
My marriage? Your marriage? Obviously you have to go. Who else will go?
I have some issues, so I can't go now.
It's
Yeah,
fine.
see.
If I go, if I have something, then I can at least I can ask you to do here. Good that you are here. If you are not going, then what can I do?
Because he is going, I want to be alone and enjoy without him.
Without me.
Yeah.
I think Anna's girlfriend will come to meet him. Right?
Yeah. Maybe after you.
Let me know in the comment section whether Anna has girlfriend or not. Let's see. Anna, you have or not?
Only 5.
Only 5? Let me know in the comment section. Well, I would like to end my vlog here today, and tomorrow I am going to book my flight tickets, for which I am going to show you how we can book flight tickets from Japan to India Delhi. So in that video, you're going to see everything like luggage details and multiple other conditions. The process of booking international ticket, like from Japan to India, from start to end. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care and have fun.